Let me ask you a question. Why does the perfect outfit for men come with such an expensive price tag? What if I told you that it doesn't have to be that way? You can still get top quality materials and luxury designs at an affordable price. My name is Jason Gulani, and I am the co-founder of Featured Box. As professionals who appreciate quality and style, we decided to partner directly with top-notch designers in Paris, Milan, and New York to create a men's accessory box that redefines luxury. We are the first subscription box of its kind to deliver truly premium men's accessories right to your door each month at an affordable price. Our boxes contain a minimum of 6 to 7 products, such as ties, cufflinks, socks, cologne, shades, watches, and more. Plus tons of surprises that make you feel amazing. Our ties and cufflinks are made by the same manufacturers who create products for luxury European brands. The guaranteed retail value of each box is $150, but because of our direct partnerships, Featured Box is only $29 per month. So whether you're getting ready to go to work, the gym, a party, or on a date, our boxes contain everything you need to look your best. That's how we're revolutionizing the men's fashion industry, one box at a time. So be a pioneer by supporting our Kickstarter campaign. Hit the green button and claim your perk now.